Hello guys, Roblox Mo here. Okay, so I still have it. Update on the fidget spinner. Took away some of this part right here. Works better. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 seconds. Wait, cause oh shoot my finger. Okay, we're back. Okay, so this works more fluently. Also, what I can do with the videos on like live subscriber count, things like that. Actually, nothing much to say, guys. Still having on my Xbox yet. Almost going to the 6th grade. Subscribe subscribe and comment down below. I subscribed. To get subscribed back or get a shout out. Well, actually, no. Actually, sorry guys. Okay guys, if you want a shout out from me, both my accounts, yeah, both. First you have to subscribe and then comment down below in my latest video, and then see I subscribed, and then I'll do a shout out for you. Both. They're like 90 subscribers, so you'd get a lot. On there. Stay cool, guys, and bye bye. Peanuts.